Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an additional Instagram account to your existing Instagram account on your Instagram app on your iPhone. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So what you need to do is you just need to press on this icon, which is on the top right hand corner, which is the hamburger icon. And then just press on the settings option here. So just press on the settings option. And once the settings opens, what you need to do, you just need to scroll down at the bottom. And here you will be able to see the option to add an additional account. So I'm going to just press on this option which says add account. And then if you already have an existing account which you want to log in to your Instagram account, you can just press on login to existing account. Otherwise, you can create a new account also. So let me just press on the new account here. So create new account. Here you can give the name of your account. So I'm going to just give the name of my account, let's say. So let's say I'm going to name my account as codebind_com, and then I'm going to press on next. And here I need to choose some password, and then I just need to press on continue, and the account will be added to my Instagram app. Now let's say if you already have an existing account, then what you can do, once again, you can just go to the settings and then go at the bottom and then press on add account. And then this time you can press on this option which says login to existing account. And then you can log in with your existing Instagram account. So you can just give your email ID or your phone number, and then you can log in with your password of your existing Instagram account and then press on login. And you can see I'm logged in my Instagram account. I can press on save password, which is going to save my password. So here, once you added your account, you can switch between your account using this profile icon, which is at the bottom right hand corner. So I can either double tap on this profile icon. So when I double tap on this icon, my icon is switched to my other account. Otherwise, I can long press on this icon and then I will be able to see both my accounts which I'm logged into, and then I can switch between accounts. So I can choose the other account, and then you can see that my account is switched from here. So this is how you can add an additional account in your Instagram app on your iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.